Hey, what's up guys? This is Sohan and you are watching your Technical Spark channel. Friends, in this particular video, we will explore reporting. Okay, it could be your a one-time report. If you want to schedule report, how exactly you can do that. Notifications, as well as how exactly you can run commands on your end user system. So all these 3 to 4 things we are going to explore in this particular video. So without further ado, let's get started and let's check out on the console how exactly we can do that after one small intro video. Hey, welcome back guys. Now let me quickly open my SCPM console so that we'll be able to see the how exactly reporting things works. Okay, let me quickly enter my credential and log into the console. Perfect guys, console is open now. So guys, before we start with the reporting, okay, let me very first tell you one thing. So whatever policy configuration we have done so far on the end user system, all the logs are always present on the SCPM console. The only thing is how exactly you want to page that is what the important things. Okay, but before we start with the reporting, let me just tell you one thing, that when you go to the clients tab, okay, so here is our servers and other stuffs are available. So let's say you because normally whenever you do any changes or anything, you are in our series we have directly went to that particular systems and perform the update policy, right, to so that this particular client will receive the latest definition. But instead of that, what you can do, if you let's say you have made some kind of changes in the policy, right, and you want that system to be updated with the latest policy which we have in the console. So what you can do, you can simply right click on that particular system, server, whatever it is, and then click on update content. Okay, just click on yes and it's triggered. Now you will be able to see the status in monitor section, whether that update has been success or not. Additionally, there are a couple of more options available. Like if you want to scan that system, you can choose scan, update content and scan, start power reserve. So many things are available guys. And if you want me to create video on these particular things dedicated, because see right now if you just see this option looks very smaller, but when you actually perform this, it's play very important role. So covering each and everything in the single video is quite difficult. So I really want you guys to comment what exactly you would like to see, so that accordingly I'll make videos and make the further changes. Now hopefully these things you have got. Now the update content policy which you have run, where exactly you can do that, I mean validate that. So when you go to the monitor and then command section, here you will see that update content has been performed, right? So it's in at this moment it's not received, so we have to wait for some time. All through earlier also I have performed this update content. You can see the timing 7:42 I have performed, so at that time it was succeed, but now we have to wait for some time so that it will get started. Let me just refresh the screen and you can see the now status is showing received, right, which means this particular update content has been performed successfully. So similarly, if you make any changes and the system is quite far or is not in your it's not easily accessible, then you can modify the policy and perform the update content, so that whatever the changes you have made on the server, the same will get enforced on that particular client machine. So this is where you can use this particular method. There's one more thing, file fingerprinting. Okay, so actually what happens when I went to the client, so there is one option, collect file fingerprinting list. Okay, so basically earlier we have saw, right, how exactly in system lockdown policy how we can collect the hashes, how we can block the hashes. Okay, so same thing can be done from here. So basically when you request that information, it's basically only collect that information. Okay, so this task is already been running, because collecting all the hash information about the files available on the PC is quite bigger task. So it's been almost, let's say 20 plus minutes since this task is running, and I really don't know how much time is going to take. But before end of this video, if it's collect, then I'll show you where exactly you can check list of the files of which fingerprinting is done. Okay, now let's come to our original topic. So when you go to the monitor guys, okay, in the summary page you will see overall dashboard of your organization. So if there is any risk or other stuff which is malicious, then those will be highlighted in the summary section of this page. Then logs. When you go to the logs, guys, just remember this particular computer status report is very important. Okay, let's say I'm going to select current month, or past month, whatever you guys can say, select. So I'll just select current month, and then when you, let me just maximize this. Yeah, perfect. So when you click on view logs, it's give the all computers information. So right now in our SCPM we have SCPM and DC, these two servers. But when you run this report, it will give the complete information like operating system, infected status, policy status, as well as at what time is last communicated with your server, what is the definition currently running, what is the agent version, everything is available, guys. Okay, policy number. So this is particular thing is very important. Okay, so it's completely depend how you are going to use. Similarly, along with the computer, there are almost couple of few more reports are also available. Like you can go to the network and host, and here I'll just simply select, instead of attack, I'll just select traffic. Okay, and we'll select current month here also, and let's click on view logs, so that it will share show the information whether the traffic is inbound, outbound, okay, what is the severity and the status, whether that particular source destination has been allowed or not. Okay, along with the protocol information. So everything can be seen in the console. Okay, and once the report is downloaded, you can filter it out with that report with the systems, or if you want, you can just simply click on additional settings, and if you want to, let's say, search for any specific computer server, you can put that information. Okay, so that instead of entire company report, you will get a report for that particular system, which you can utilize where best way for your purpose for which you are downloading the report. Okay guys, now let me go to the notification section. Under notification, guys, here you will be able to configure the notifications. Okay, so let me just go to the notification conditions, and here you will see couple of notification which is already been configured. Okay, all through, if you want, you can make changes into the any of the notifications, like by clicking on edit button, make the modification, and done. Okay, it has the privilege so that it can trigger mail to the your system administrator. Okay, as well as if you want, you can define any custom email ID here for on which you require notification for this particular thing. Okay, so based on your requirement, you can make the changes, and that's it, guys. Okay, now let's go to the reports. Guys, here there is one important report. Okay, so let's say I would like to view the weekly status of the computers. So let me just click here, so that it will show the license utilization. Okay, so let me just click on create report, and see how many licenses are utilized, how many seats available, expired. So at the high level, you will get the idea here. Okay, which you can use for your audit purpose as well. And similar to that, if you, let's go to the application device control. Okay, here are again couple of options are available. So let's say I would like to create one report where the most alerted application or system I would like to view it. So I'll just keep all this filter as is, and just go to the current one and create a report. Okay, it will give the information like which group or which server has given the hell lot of alerts. So app server has given almost 1289 alerts in the duration of 1 month. After this, you can also explore like computer status, and here we'll just keep the as it is default, and let's click on generate report for the last 24 hours. So it will show you the information about your virus distribution, or you can say DAT distribution. And guys, there is one more thing which normally people are asking, like whether the scan is succeed or fail, and how much time it takes when the scan is initiated on the system. So this one of the report is also you can view like scan and scan statistic histogram. So when I click on create, okay, it will show you how much time usually your system is taking for the scan to get complete. So it's almost 59. So we have scheduled scan on only one server, and for which we are getting the statistics. So this is how basically you will be able to work on the report. And let's say you have created the report. So and sometimes what happens, these are the all report which we have checked. These are all default reports. However, if you let's say you have last scan time, and if you want, you can do some tweaks by going into the additional settings, and whatever the information you would like to, let's say you have a couple of domains, so you can here just define technical Spark, right, like this. and whatever the changes you would like, you can make it here. And once then click on the create report, so that, and once you got the desired output, what you can do, you can simply save the report. And let's say I'll just give this report name as a scan time and click on OK. Once the report is saved, then you can go to the schedule filter, and here you can schedule the reports, guys. Okay, so these are the basic default reports which are available. If you want, you can click on edit and make the required changes. Additionally, if you want to schedule any new report, you can click on add button, and whatever the report you would like, you can schedule it. Okay, so that administrator will get those reports on daily basis without any issue. So this is our quick video, and I really hope that with this quick video you have at least got the idea that what are the options are available and how exactly you can execute those. Okay, it's still okay. This is completed. Only the status has to be updated. Okay, so this is still in progress, guys. So what I'll do, I'll just keep this as it is. And guys, now hopefully you have got the idea that where exactly you can download the reports, where you can use the view the commands. And I strongly recommend to explore these settings in your test lab or production server, whatever you have. Okay, but make sure you are not making any changes into the production policies. Okay, and so once you start exploring, you will get the better idea, and you can just explore each and every report type which is available here, so that you will get visibility that which report type contains what information. And as and when you will be asked for the report, you will be able to provide generate those report and share with your management as and when required. So that's it in this video, guys. This is Sohan signing out, and I'll catch you in the next amazing video. Okay, and probably in next video we will learn how to back up our ACPM server, okay, as well as the export the policies step by step. So thanks for watching, guys. This is Sohan signing out. I'll catch you in the next amazing video. Till then, bye bye.